civilians are dead. Who are the terrorists? You were in Iraq, and another country, the United States, the richest in the world, invaded your country and killed 655,000 of your citizens. What would you call us?
Killing their citizens, or their people also killing their
invading a sovereign nation and occupying a country against the UN.
I'm a combat warrior. Try me, I'm destroying you. You'll find out who's about it when they talk about deploying you. People cop out every day and I'm ashamed. Riding fake ass profiles, spitting on their name. Man, it's time for a change for the warriors, the ones who put their life on the line and go to war for you. Someone's gotta do it, I'd rather go myself. If your heart ain't in it, then you're better off left. The politicians be the first ones to send us to fight, but be the last ones to go when your freedom's on the line. But it's all good, homie, I'll stand up and fight. I'll be the one who sacrifices for your freedom and rights.
I'm a warrior.
I'll never look back, I'll never give up, I'm doing my job.
I'm a warrior.
I can't quit, I'ma keep fighting till I die.
I'm a warrior.
I won't back down, ain't no way I could turn back now.
I'm a warrior.
Battle tested, I'm ready, scream out loud, yeah, and tell me who with me. Hell yeah, this the jam, so put your damn hands up. All the military members, yeah, this the anthem. It's time we get heard, it's time somebody listens. Now I got them all struck every time I'm spitting. Shitting on these bubblegum rappers with pleasure. I swear I go so hard, my talent can't be measured. That's why I speak up on the real shit I can't stand. Like Colonel James Johnson, he should've been canned. Stole thousands of dollars overseas from Uncle Sam and got a slap on the wrist and a formal reprimand. If I would've done that shit, I'd have went straight to Leavenworth. But since he graduated West Point, they still let him serve.
I'm a warrior.
I'll never look back, I'll never give up, I'm doing my job.
I'm a warrior.
I can't quit, I'ma keep fighting till I die.
I'm a warrior.
I won't back down, ain't no way I could turn back now.
I'm a warrior.
Battle tested, I'm ready, scream out loud, yeah, and tell me who with me. Yeah, I got pride by my brothers and my sisters by my side, serving honorably and always doing what's right. See, I try to open eyes with the rhymes and my lines, but if they don't want the truth, then they'll just turn it into lies. That's just how it goes, and I swear it ain't right, but
I'm a warrior.
so I stay strong and fight. I'll never quit, I'll never back down. I made it too far, I can't stop now, gotta keep